Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys my signature makeup look. You can say this is the kind of look which I usually do, and I personally think it's super easy. It's something everyone can do. It's something very fresh, very summer friendly at the same time. I don't have one single everyday makeup look, but I do have one signature makeup look which I love doing whenever I'm like confused and I don't really know what to do. I always go with this look. You need to wear your sunscreen. I'm gonna use this one from Glow Recipe. This is expensive and you cannot get this in India. I'm gonna give you guys one alternative option as well. It is this one right over here. This is Biore, I think that's how you pronounce the name. Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 Plus. This is a great sunscreen. If you want to invest in a good sunscreen this particular summer, use this one. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna apply the sunscreen over my face. This gives you a beautiful glow, but if you use the Biore one as well, it also gives you a beautiful glow, and it's very lightweight, non-sticky. For my eyebrows, I'm just loving this eyebrow pencil from Makeup Revolution, dark brown, and I don't know why this eyebrow pencil is my thing. I really love this one. Perfect, precise tip that I need to fill in my eyebrow. You guys watching any K-drama? I am watching 2521 currently, and oh my god, I love that K-drama so much. You know, it's not that emotional, but it just teaches you so many things. It just makes you realize so many things, and I think you should definitely watch that one. This is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I have a very glowing skin, so I don't want to use any foundation which is super glowing, especially during this summer. I know it won't last that longer. I am going to use this one from Nars. It's a beautiful foundation, by the way. I really love this one. So I think I'm going to take maybe this much, blend it out all over my face. This is what the foundation looks like. It is just giving me a very soft matte look, of course, and with that sunscreen it is also giving me a beautiful glow which is not too much, and I think it's my perfect kind of a base. I am not going to use any concealer and nothing on top of this, just some powder to set it, but not now. After I finish my makeup, I'm just going to set my mouth area, this part especially. It gets very oily, and I'm gonna put some setting spray as well, and that's it. If you have dark circles, of course you can go and use a concealer, but I'm gonna skip a concealer because I just don't really love layering up too much makeup on my face. Sometimes when I'm just going out or something, I have to hydrate my lips, and for that I will use this one from Makeup Revolution. This is their overnight lip serum, and my lips are, I don't know why, it's so dry, so I have to give this something to just keep it hydrated. Use the new K-Beauty cream blush. This is the one. This is in the shade Flirty Nude. It's a beautiful color, and it's kind of that nude coralish color, I will say. This much. I also want to mix a little bit of pink with it, so I'm gonna take this one from Body Shop. This is their lip and cheek tint, and I'm gonna mix it with this one. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's see, maybe it will be good. So I will just mix both of them together. Beautiful. And because of that tint, it is just super lightweight right now. It contains a watery like formula to it just because of that tint. I think it turned out pretty good. I will take my favorite contour stick, which is bronzing stick, which is from Rare Beauty. This is the one. This is in the shade Happy Soul. Use it right over here on my nose. Angled brush from Miss Claire. This is M23. And blend out my cream contour. This Rare Beauty cream contour, you guys know how much I love it, just because it's so soft, so natural looking, does not give you that harsh contour effect, just warms up your face and gives you some kind of contrast, especially this color. I mean, Happy Soul is for fair skin tone people, but they do have contour sticks, like bronzing sticks for darker skin as well, so you can definitely try it out. I just want Rare Beauty to come up super soon in India. I will use this one from Makeup Revolution. This is their bright light highlighter in the shade Beam Pink, and it's a liquid highlighter. This is what it looks like. If you want to know more about this highlighter, definitely check out my reel, Dupe Officiality Tilbury Light Wands. So I'm gonna put it right over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I think that these type of highlighters, they work so well and gives you a natural glow, like a glass skin glow. Love using K-Beauty eyeshadow sticks, and this is in the shade Plush. It's a beautiful pinkish muted coralish color, which is perfect for you every day because it's so natural looking. You just don't need to put on any eyeshadow. You can just use this particular thing all over your eyelid, and I think you are good to go. All over my eyelid. Look how beautiful this is. And with my fingers, I am just going to blend it out. I think this is my kind of signature look. You just need to use one eyeshadow stick and you're good to go. I am going to use this brown eye pencil from Auric. It's a deep chocolate brown eye pencil, which I am going to use on my eyes. You can use a black one if you want. You can use a black eyeliner if you want. But I think with this look, this brown one works so well. Take any brown eyeshadow that you have. I'm gonna take a small brush like this. This is from Belly, and very, very gently just smudge this out and take it a little bit outward so that it just gives you that wing effect. I'm gonna take this mascara from Essence, and this is their Lash Princess mascara. You guys know I love this mascara. I'm going to use it on my eyelash. If you want, you can pair it up with some individual eyelash as well, but I think this mascara works pretty good for me. Favorite signature kind of a eye look. I love this so much. It's super easy, super minimal, and you can just wear this anytime, anywhere. It's gonna look so pretty with any outfit. Use this Essence powder. It's my favorite powder, and I will use this brush from Swiss Beauty. It's Compact F02, and I am gonna take this powder, use it over here, my mouth area especially. It's such a beautiful powder. And lastly, this all-nighter setting spray mini one. This is from Urban Decay. You guys already know about this product. And lipstick, I will use this Colourpop lipstick. This is in the shade Virgo Moon. It's a, first of all, look at the packaging. It's so pretty, and this is what the lipstick looks like. It's such a beautiful color. I am going to use it on my lips. You can use this particular shade for your everyday. It's a beautiful nudish, contains a coralish pinkish undertone to it. Yeah, this is the finished look. This is my signature makeup look. It's super easy, perfect for your everyday. If you want to use this particular makeup look for your college or office days, you can definitely do it. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comments below, and I hope this actually helped you a lot. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.